Hey, beautiful people, we're going to talk about the best credit cards for rewards. Now, when we're thinking about rewards, we're thinking about when you first sign up for a credit card, you're going to get a reward. That's what we're thinking about. Some type of reward can be, hey, when you sign up, we're going to give you $200 as long as you spend $1,000 within the next 3 months on this credit card. That can be a reward. Think of it like that. So some people like to target those credit cards because they like to get the rewards on the credit cards. And trust me, I love when I got my rewards from my American Express Delta credit card. So I'm not going to knock anybody or even my other credit cards that I may have gotten rewards. Not may have. I definitely got rewards for them. I definitely love that, but I like the continue thing too. I would love some no annual fee stuff going on. And then I would also love to continue to get some great rewards. So some of these credit cards may be kind of different, should I say, but these are ones that I just wanted to put on the list. If you guys have any other suggestions, definitely let me know. My name is Rickita. I want to think about the everyday life when it comes down to credit cards. That's it. I love when people want to do other things. I used to love to do that. I still love to do it, but I want to talk about every day. Let's just get you familiar with this whole thing so you can know exactly what it is. So let's get into these different credit cards. And the first one that I have on the list is the Discover a Cashback credit card. Now, granted, when you first sign up for any of the Discover credit cards, you're not going to get a bonus. You're not going to get a sign up bonus. You're not. But with Discover, what they do is whatever you get back on your first year in cash back, what they're going to do is they're going to actually double it. So if you were to get $100 back, they're going to now give you $200 back. And your first year, you got $50 back. They're going to give you another $50, which make it so now you got $100 total. So that's what that is. I definitely love Discover. There's different type of things you can spend money on, like the Discover a Cash Back, 5% back on rotating categories. I definitely love that. So definitely check that out. That can be a great everyday credit card for you all, so you can get the rewards. Again, don't forget your rewards don't come into a year later, but you can kind of figure out what your rewards are going to be depending on how much money you spend on this credit card. You can make the most of it, and I definitely made the most of mine when I got mine because I was like, I need as much as I can get, and I actually forgot about it. I'm like, I got extra. My bill is. I'm like, oh my gosh. It came. That's what it is. But definitely check it out. And that's a Discover a Cashback credit card. If you guys are having a hard time getting approved for credit cards, it's probably because you have negative accounts in your credit report. So definitely follow steps 1 through 5. And the fifth step is to call us and we'll create dispute letters for you and we'll email them to you. Or you can actually tell us you want us to mail them out for you. And we'll go ahead and mail out the dispute letters for you. And when we mail them out, I do suggest that we do mail them out certified mail. And if you mail them out on your end, mail them out certified mail. You need to track all these letters that you send in to the credit bureaus. But these, when you send them out certified mail, you have a great chance of getting these accounts deleted from your credit reports. So definitely follow steps 1 through 5 and give us a call. Now, I put the Chase Freedom Flex on here. All of these credit cards, I don't want to tell you what the reward is going to be because it changes all the time. You can go right here, click on the name of the credit card. You can go to a blog that I just talked all about this one credit card in particular, or you can go to the website and know exactly what that reward is going to be. A lot of times you can click the apply now and it'll take you directly to the actual credit card and you'll see what that reward is going to be. So check out all of these different credit card. The Amazon Prime, the reward that you're getting basically is my referral code. So I definitely like that because sometimes when you apply for the Amazon credit card, they may not be in the rewards at that time. But since I do have the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa signature card, which I love a lot, I talk about that all the time. You guys would also get the rewards for that for signing up. Capital One, Saver One Cash Rewards credit card. Capital One has so many different credit cards. So when you think about just Capital One, think about them as like an overall company. You can pick and choose which one you want. They'll let you know which ones have some type of bonus when you first sign up for it. But Capital One have so many different credit cards. This one right here is really for those foodies out there, if you ask me. But still, Capital One have so many different credit cards. Check them out and see which one will be the best for you. The City Double Cash, again, a bonus when you first sign up. Capital One, we talked about Discover, American Express, because I talked about my Delta having a sign up bonus with them. Wells Fargo, these companies can pre qualify you without a hard inquiry. Chase and Citi, it's a hard inquiry, so please tread lightly when it come down to these ones. You need to make sure that you know you're going to get approved. And like I said, a lot of times you can click on here, you will see a lot of approvals right on my website. So make sure definitely check it out. If you guys ever want to get on the call, just get my exclusive credit membership. You don't have to pay for the call. As long as you got my membership, we can talk anytime. My dedication is to help you all increase your credit score. These are actual results that I have from my previous clients. So definitely come over and I can help you. Uh-oh. My internet is horrible right now, but I can definitely help you figure out what you have to do to increase your credit score. So definitely check that out. We also have the City Custom Cash card here, so definitely check that out. It's a bonus when you get that. The American Express Blue Cash Preferred, that's a great one that you guys can also check out. If you guys have negative accounts, I created these packages. So if you got charge-offs, it's 6 letters in a pack. $27. I think I'm gonna have to pause for my next recordings because the internet is that bad. But definitely check these different things out. If you guys ever have any questions, call me at 833 Rickita. Now we also have the US Bank one here. So when it come down to like US Bank, again, I said Capital One, Discover, they have so many other credit cards. So see which ones will be the best for you. The Discover is student. Don't forget they're gonna match you because that's Discover. Another US Bank. So see which ones they have. And for those people that need to learn more about credit, I created my credit one-on-one course. It's 7-day trial for just $1. And a lot of the dispute letters aren't anywhere but in this course. So definitely check it out. And it's only $9.99 per month. Okay. $9.99 per month. So definitely check that out. I also put on here the Pedal One Visa. Discover is secured. I put Credit One Bank on here, but listen, so Credit One Bank, they have a reward, but Credit One Bank, it's just one of them cards that's easier for people to get, and I see people like them, so I want to put them on some of the list. And I remember how much it helped so many people when I first started teaching about credit, so I still have like a soft spot, but I don't have a soft spot to their annual fee. If they give you a high annual fee, and I say anything over $39, and at this point, what we're trying to do, we're trying to get rewards and no dollars. It would be the best. I just think that we shouldn't get it, but I still want to put these things on here so I can remember to say that message in every video too. Because when I see it, I can't fake it. I'm like, no, I'm not going to lie. Like, and that's how I feel about the Credit One Bank. Again, sign up for my exclusive credit membership and let's figure out which credit cards would be best for you. Now, we just looked at the best credit cards for rewards. We also have the best ones for gas, building credits, bad credit, and then pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. We looked at the best ones for rewards, so definitely check out these other ones because it could be a list of credit cards on there that you may want to target more. My favorite list is the pre-qualify with no hard inquiry because there's credit cards and there's actual personal loans on there. Now, I also have, again, the 6 months of free letters, complete steps 1 through 5. And these steps, you guys, all you're doing is just some trials. So we need to get your credit reports anyway. I want you to get up still like less than $70 and $100, and you will be able to have the 6 months of letters. This was amazing. I definitely love this. So definitely check everything out. And the last step is to actually call us. And don't forget, well, my internet is acting crazy again. I have to figure out what I have to do to expand my internet. Maybe I got the highest one possible, but I guess with all the videos that I'm making, I do not want you guys to miss any information. But if you ever feel like you're missing information, please call us at 833 Rickita. If you guys have my exclusive credit membership, I'm making time to talk to you guys. All you have to do is get on my schedule. I will really talk to you if you have my membership. If you don't have my membership, I don't have time right now to talk, and I'm just being honest because I have to prepare for law school. When I go to law school, I want to even probably pull it back a little bit more. It's a bigger picture. It's something that I'm working towards that's bigger than we all can imagine. So I just want to make sure I have that time to get those things done because right now I am getting all A's and I need to keep that going. Okay. I need to keep that going so that I don't have to come out of pocket for law school. I want to go on a full ride to law school. That's my goal. So y'all please cheer me on for that. And let's get these credit cards with the rewards. So let me know what credit cards you guys actually get approved for. And if you guys have a question on YouTube, because I'm dedicating time to the YouTube too, especially since if you guys post it now, as long as you subscribe, I'm answering that question right away. You should get a response right away, because I'm making sure that I am never going to be behind on people that subscribe to me comments, period. That's my goal. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and hopefully you guys get approved. Let me know in the comments. Bye bye.